Hi guys. So today topic is the operator. So in this video I'll tell you about what is the operator and how can we use this operator in Java by doing practical also. Okay. So previously I have already uploaded a video on the keywords, literals, identifier and tokens. So if you haven't watched the previous video, I request you to go and watch the previous video. You will come to know everything about the keywords and how can we use the keywords, token and identifiers and etc. Okay, after that you can watch this video. Okay, this video is all about the operator, how can we use the operator and how many types of operator that we have. We'll deal the operator, each and every operator deeply. Okay, now let us start the definition of operator. So operator is basically it is a symbol, we can say, and it is used to perform some type of operations. Okay, so what type of operation that we perform? Maybe unary operator. In unary operator we usually find postfix expression and the prefix expression, increment operator, decrement operator. Okay, so don't worry, I'll explain you about prefix and postfix, increment and decrement in upcoming slides. So till now understand, we have a unary operator, we have arithmetic operator. In the arithmetic operator we have a addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, modulus. So these are the mathematical operation we use with the help of arithmetic operator. Shift operator, we have a left shift, right shift. Okay, relational operator, we usually compare or find the equality between the two variables. Bitwise operator, we have and operator, or operator. Ternary operator, assignment operator, we have a logical operator for the logical operations also. So according to the operator we usually divide the operator in this form. Okay, now let us start with the operator precedence. Okay, now what is operator precedence? Basically, see, we have a one operator type category, and second we have a category, and third is the precedence. Okay, precedence is basically which we follow first. Okay, we have a two expression and what do we follow first. So that is we can understand with the help of precedence. Okay, now suppose if we have a two expressions including the increment and decrement operator, then we have to use the first the increment operator and then we go for a decrement operator. So this is a precedence. So what to use first, this is known as the precedence. Okay, now let us come to the unary operator. In unary operator we have a two category, the postfix and the prefix. Now what is postfix category? Now let us understand, if we have a expression, okay, any mathematical expression, or you can say any variable, and if I use the plus plus after the expression, then we can say that this expression is known as the postfix expression. For example, say variable x plus plus, if I put the instead of x expression, if I put the x, then it becomes the x plus plus, x minus minus. So these are the what postfix expression. Why? Because I'm using the increment operator and decrement operator just after the variable. This plus plus and minus minus are increment and decrement operator respectively. Okay, so I'm using the increment and decrement operator just after the expression or the variable, then we can say it is the postfix expression. And vice versa, if we use the increment or decrement operator just before the expression, then we call it as a what prefix expression. Say for example, plus plus x or minus minus x, plus x minus x, and etc. Okay, so apart from the unary operator we also have a arithmetic operator. So in arithmetic operator we usually deal with the multiplication, division, modulo, addition, subtraction. We usually do normal mathematical calculation with the help of arithmetic operations. Okay, then we have a shift operation in left shift, right shift, and etc. Relational operator, we usually compare between the variables and find out the equality between the two variables, whether the variables are equal or not. We can check with the help of relational operator. We have a bitwise operator in exclusive or, inclusive or, and I'll explain you what these all means with what is bitwise and relational operator in upcoming slides. Don't worry. The logical operator, we have a and or ternary operator, we have assignment operator. We usually write the assignment operator with some of the arithmetic operator like plus equals to, minus equals to, multiplication equals to, or we can use separately as assignment operator also. For example, equals to, a single equals to means the assignment operator. We are assigning some value to the variable. Okay, so this is what the operator precedence. So in this video I'll tell you what is unary operator, and after in upcoming videos I'll explain you about the arithmetic shift and relational operator. Okay, so in this video I'll tell you about what is unary operator completely, theoretically and practical also. Okay, now let us start with the unary operator. So before understanding the unary operator, I'll tell you one thing. Unary operator, the operator which works on one variable. Understood? Unary means what? One digit. Okay, one variable, you can say. So the operator which works on one variable is known as the what, unary operator, you can say the one expression. Okay, it has two type, prefix and postfix. I already have explained you. Now see, if I declare the x equals to 10, so previously I am declaring the value 10 equals to x. It means now the compiler know the value of x equals to 10. Now if I use this expression y equals to plus plus x, so what plus plus x means, what plus plus stands for? See, the plus plus and minus minus are increment and decrement operator. Okay, and it usually increases or decreases the value by 1. It means if we talk about the plus plus, it means it will increase the value of the variable by 1, and if I'll talk about the minus minus, it will decrease the value by 1. Understood? It means the plus plus x means what? Plus plus x means first increase the value and then the print the value. Why? Because first comes plus plus, then after the x. It means first we have to increase the existing value of a variable and then we have to print the value. Say for example x equals to 10, it means what is the output for this expression y equals to plus plus x? So value of y becomes 11. Why? Because we are just increasing the value of existing variable by 1. Existing variable value is 10 and just add 1, it becomes 11, and after that we'll print the value. Okay, that is the x. It means 10 plus 1, that is 11. Now the output becomes the 11. Understood? So whenever you find plus plus, it means you have to first increase the value and then you have to print the value. It means first increase the existing value by 1 and then the print. It means y equals to 11. Okay, now vice versa, if I just want to print the value plus plus, if I want to print the value of plus plus x, not the y, it means same thing, because the value of plus plus x is getting stored in the variable y. It means the value of plus plus x is also 11. It means first it increase the value plus plus and then it will print the value and then it will get stored in the variable y. Understood? Now come to this. This is a what? Decrement operator. Y equals to minus minus x. It means what? First we have to decrement the value by 1. It means existing value is of x is equals to 10, that we have to first decrement the value by 1. It means 10 minus 1, that is the 9, and then we have to store the value in y. So the value of expression becomes 9. It means y equals to 9. But now there is a trick. If I just print the value of y, then comes 9. But if I wish to print the value of minus minus x, I'm not going to store the value of minus minus x into any variable. No, I'm just printing the value of minus minus x. It will come 8. Why? Because if suppose if you are using y equals to minus minus x, so now the value of y becomes 9, and after that I'm in decrementing the 9 value by 1. It means 9 minus 1, it becomes 8, and now I'm storing the value 8 in minus minus x expression. Now it becomes 8. Understood? So I'll explain you this with the help of coding. You will understand better. So just understand in this way what I'm teaching to you. Okay, it's just like a theory. Okay, now postfix expression. Postfix expression means what? We have to use the increment or decrement operator just after the variable. It means x plus plus, x minus minus. Is it right? So if we have a value x equals to 10 previously, now I am storing, I am using the expression y equals to x plus plus. It means what? First we have to print the value, then we have to increase the value. Now y equals to x plus plus, it means the value remains same as that of the x. Now the value becomes y equals to 10. There is no increment. But if I wish to print the value of x plus plus, not the y, if I wish to print the value of x plus plus, now it becomes 11. Why? Because x value is 10 and now we are incrementing the value by 1. It means 10 plus 1, that is 11. Understood? So there is a trick. So you have to understand the increment and decrement operator and how increment and decrement operator actually works in a particular program. Okay, so according to the scenario, it may change. Okay, whatever the situation be, it works in a situation. Is okay. Now see, in y equals to x minus minus, it means previously we have a value of x equals to 10. Now we are decreasing the value. Now we are what? Decreasing the value. So if I say y equals to x minus minus, it means first comes the x. X means what? We have to just print the value. No need to go forward. If you first encountered the variable x, Okay, then you have to no need to change anything, just put the same value x as y. So y equals to 10. But if I wish to print the value of x minus minus, then it will what? It will decrement the value by 1. It will decrement the value by 1. It means previously x value of x is 10. Now I am decrementing the value by 1, means 10 minus 1, that is the 9. Understood? So in this way the urinary operator actually works. Okay, so I'll explain you this all with the help of coding. Till now understand what is prefix, postfix, what is the increment operator and decrement operator. Okay, now let's start the coding part. So see, we'll create here one class. So click on the package and take one class, Java class file, and write this name as operator. Okay, with O capital. Now hit enter. See, one Java class file is created here with the name operator.java. Okay, so inside it, what we have to write? Inside it, we'll write main function first. So after writing main, it will give you the suggestion. So you can write the main method. See, main method is created. Now we'll create one variable called x, and we'll store the value 10. So x is equals to 10. Now take the one sysout function. So in sysout function, first I'll take the one expression here also. So put here expression y equals to x plus plus. Okay. So what will be the result of y equals to x plus plus? Okay. So we'll check here. So print y. Understood? So we have to write here int also. Okay, now 6 fix. So into y, I have declared another variable y, and I'm incrementing the variable x plus plus. Now what will be the output of y? Now see, first it encountered the x, right? First it encounters, see, I'm just increasing the font size. Now see, first increasing the x and plus plus. It means first we encounter x. It means there is no change. If we print the value of y, it will be not change. Okay, so value of y will be what? Same as that of the x. But what happen if I write sysout, okay, sysout. Okay, if I write x plus plus, then what will be the value? Here the value will be 11. Why? Because value of existing value of x is what? 10, and I'm incrementing by 1, that is plus plus 1 plus plus, and now the value becomes 10 plus 1, that is the 11. So first y equals to what? Y will be 10 as it is, and x plus 12 plus will be 11. Now save this and run this file, run as Java application. Okay, you will find here 10 and 11. See, the value of y is 10 and 11. Why? Because first y encounter first x variable. Okay, then you have to just print the value of y. Understood? After, when you print the x plus plus, it will increase the value. Okay, now let us check with the minus minus, x minus minus. Now what will be the output of y and x plus plus? Now see, first y encountered the x. It means it will, the value of x will get stored in the y. Okay, no need to increment it. So the value of y remains what? 10. But the what about the x minus minus, x minus minus, the value of x minus minus become 9. So the output will be 10 and 9. Save this and run this file, Java application. Yeah, see, 10 and 9. Why? Because y encounter first value x, so no need to go forward. X value is same as that of the y, so y equals to x, and x minus minus means the previously the value of x equals to 10. Now it is decrementing by 1, so 10 minus 1, that is 9. The value is 9. Okay. Now we'll start with the prefix operators. Okay, so for that I'm commenting this expression. Okay, now I'm checking with the prefix. So let's start with the plus plus x. Okay, now see, previously x equals to 10, I am assigning the variable x with 10 value. Now what will be the output if I wish to find out the value of plus plus x? Okay, so save this. So the value will be what? Value will be 11. Why? Because we are first incrementing the result and then printing the result. It means plus plus x, it means 10 plus 1, that is the 11, and it will be printed after. So output will be the 11. So save as and run as our application. See, the output will be the 11. Okay, now what will be the output if I put minus minus x? Obviously output will be the 9. Why? Because it encounters as the decrement operator. So 10 minus 1, that is the 9. Save as and run as Java application. See, the output as a 9. Now one more question: what happen if I just uncomment this and this also? X equals to minus minus x, and here also. Okay, now what will be the output of this expression? Okay, see output, let us find out. Y, so y encounters with the negative, y encounters with the decrement operator. So the y value of y will be 9. Okay, value of the y will be 9 because we are decrementing first and then printing. So previous value is 10, so we are decrementing by 1, means 10 minus 1, that is the 9, and I'm storing that result in y. So value of y will be 9. But what about minus minus x? Now the value of y is 9, and now again I'm decrementing with one more. So 9 minus 1, that is 8, and its value gets stored in the x. So output will be what? 9 and 8. So save this and run this file as Java application. See the value of 9 and 8. Now the value of y will be 9 and 8. Here the value y is 9. After y is 9, I am decrementing again minus minus x. So 9 here, 9 minus 1 equals to 8. Understood? So this is all about the prefix operator and postfix operator. Okay. So guys, if you like this video, please like and comment, and if you have any problem, please put in the comment box. Okay, so till then, thank you and keep studying. I'll be meet on the next lecture. Thank you.